Worried about hackers sneaking into your Ubisoft account and stealing your hard-earned game library? Then this video is for you. We're diving into how to activate and use two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, on the Ubisoft Marketplace, making your account virtually impenetrable. First things first, head over to the Ubisoft website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, select Account Management. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control various aspects of your Ubisoft profile. Now, navigate to the Security tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen, or sometimes at the top, depending on your screen size. Click on it to access your security settings. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification section. Here, you'll see an Activate button. Click on that button to begin the 2FA setup process. You'll be presented with a choice. You can choose to use an Authenticator app on your smartphone, like Google Authenticator or Authy, or you can choose the recovery codes option. The Authenticator app is highly recommended for better security. Choose the Authenticator app option. Now, open your Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Your Authenticator app will then generate a unique, time-sensitive code. Enter the code generated by your Authenticator app into the provided field on the Ubisoft website and click the confirmation button. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 2FA. From now on, whenever you log into your Ubisoft account, you'll be prompted for a code from your Authenticator app, adding an extra layer of protection. Now you can enjoy your games with peace of mind. Like and subscribe for more security tips.